日本世紀大地震牽動起演藝界嘅心靈。日本世紀大地震牽動起演藝界嘅心靈，因為佢摧毀咗日本無數嘅家園同埋生命。而香港演藝界前晚總動員發起愛心無國界311燭光晚會，一班日韓藝人亦都嚟到香港支持，令到善款數字不斷攀升。暫時嚟講有2600幾萬嘅善款。尤其嚟自韓國嘅權相佑，雖然佢忙緊拍戲，但仍然抽空出席今次嘅晚會。其實權相佑喺早前拍戲嘅時候整親隻腳㗎，不過今次仍然負傷出席。咁結果喺晚會結束之後，權相佑雙腳非常之疲倦啦，就連同房祖名一齊去到跑馬地一間按摩店度按腳。而按完出嚟之後，睇嚟一面風騷應該都舒緩咗唔少痛楚啦。而另外喺晚會結束之後，中村雅俊、曾志偉、成龍佢哋一齊去咗慰勞宴。而喺呢個時候，嚟自日本嘅藝人中村雅俊就用英文向大家表示感激啦。
At the time, I think what's going on. That means everybody in Hong Kong now thinking about Japan. So they do follow Japan singing. And so all media is at the same time. China is different, but they broadcast the same thing. Also, the radio station. It's impossible in Japan. Yes, in Japan, the same station cannot same content